तुम्ही तिगूय जाण वेगळ्या वेगळ्या इव्हेंट्स एकूच आमी जरी म्हणलें की तरी वेगळ्या वेगळ्या इव्हेंट्सांनी तुमी इन्वॉल्ड आसा आणि गोंय इज अ ट्युरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन. गोंयांत ट्युरिस्ट खूब येता सो ट्युरिस्टांचो तुमकां खूब फायदो जाता आसतलो इव्हेंट इंडस्ट्रीक न्ही बिकॉज ते हांगा येतात म्हणून तुमकां ताजो फायदो जाता काय कितें?
ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज ट्युरिस्ट ना जाल्यार एक्चुअली पयलीं आतां कोवीड येयल्लें तेन्ना पयलें ट्युरिस्ट ना आनी सगळे इव्हेंट सगळे बंद पडलेले आनी मागीर हळू आनी इट वॉज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट आफ्टर कोवीड आय सॉ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग आमी जसो कोवीडचो फर्स्ट वेव काबार जालो सेकंड वेव येताना आमी व्हडलो एक 5 दिसाचो इव्हेंट सिदादीत गोवान केलो. इट्स अ बिग कॉर्पोरेट इव्हेंट फॉर 5 days अँड दे केम विथ फूल एन्थुझिझम की बाबा आमी येवपाकूच जाय म्हणल्यार तेन्ना वेव आशिल्ले तरी पण ते धाडसीन सगळे अरावंड 300 लोकांचो क्रावड ताज्यान आमी इव्हेंट केलो 5 दिसांक. सो दॅट्स द थिंग.
So is event industry relying on tourism? काय कशें कितें?
Tourism relies on the event industry because events is a part of MICE. You know, the MICE tourism is a major part of business generation for tourism. So if you see every hotel without events, the hotel doesn't function much. They are not dependent only on walk-ins or holiday makers and come and stay families and all. They are more dependent on events. Their banquet hall and their conference hall is specifically built only for business generation, and that is events. Casinos are functioning with events, with the flavor of events. So events is a backbone of the tourism industry. If you see, and to drive MICE tourism, because everything comes in that, wedding comes in, corporate events come in, the celebrity event come in, the EDMs or whatever you call it, right from mega to small events. Today, even Goa, if you see, even 50th birthdays are celebrated by families, by reunions from all over the world. People come, and Goa is the destination. तशें वेरिड इव्हेंट्स जाता गोंयांत. सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग फॉर tourism industry, and tourism should not ignore events as, you know, they should recognize it as a very important part of tourism.